Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel is Vibes, and I'm back again with another video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time to do, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment. Lastly, do not forget to share. So yes, when I was doing some of my Poppo tutorials, I promise you guys I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play these games, and these games are games that you can actually play and then use it to make money on Poppo. Okay, so if you don't know, Poppo is a live stream app that you can make money from, and then after making money you can withdraw that money successfully. Right now this is my panel that is being open, and you can see people that are gambling on my panel. Okay, so this is one good thing when you're actually opening a panel. You can see people still sending the host some roses as well. So anyways, let's leave that one aside. Today I am here to teach you how to play games. So I'm going to be starting from one game to another. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on this gamepad. So once you click on this gamepad like this, you're going to see different games, which is Lucky Wheels, Lucky Number, Fruit Rotil, Golden Flower, Ocean Hunts, New Fish Era, and Jump. All of these things are games that are set aside for you to be able to play and then make money on Poppo. So the next thing you need to do is to do what? Is to click on Lucky Wheels, because you're going to be learning Lucky Wheels for today. So we'll click on Lucky Wheels and we allow Lucky Wheels to load. One good part I love about Lucky Wheels is the fact that no matter what you play, you are definitely going to win something. That is one good thing I love about Lucky Wheels. You are not going to be losing your money 0-0 level, okay? That is why if I have coins, the first place I run to if I want to play game, I will go to Lucky Wheels, okay? So now, since I am in this Lucky Wheels now, you need to see that you have the one that they said 1,000 for one time, and you have the one that is 10,000 for 10 times. And for the Lucky Wheels, we have different categories of Lucky Wheels. You can either play the Rocky or then you play the Premier, okay? So I advise you as a new person that you don't go ahead and play Premium if you have not really get used to Rocky. And one thing you should know is that it is gambling that you are gambling. So it is a game of win or lose. But when it comes to Lucky Wheels, you are not losing. You must win even if it's the least one thing. Okay, so let's go to Rocky. And before you play this game, you need to make sure you have coins. Right now I have 1,729 coins, and since I have 1,729 coins, anyone I'm going to be playing, I'm going to be playing with 1,000. Okay, I would have chosen not to play, but because of this tutorial, let me just go ahead and play. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to click on one time. If you click on one time, they're going to tell you that this draw will use 1,000 coins. If you click on 10 times, for example, they're going to be telling you that this draw will use obviously 10,000 coins here. Are you sure? Blah blah blah. If I click continue, they'll tell me that you see that I don't have enough coins. So let's click on one time. I've clicked on one time, and then you can see that I won what chair stick, 2 chair sticks. So let's go back. So you can see it's just a matter of you just playing the one that you want, even if you want to go to premium. So the question now is, how do I get to see this my chair stick that I've won? Because some persons don't also know where to see it. Okay, they will just go ahead, play without knowing where to see it. So I'm going to click on this gift box that is popping up and down. If I click on this gift box, I'm going to be looking for a gift bag. There's this small gift bag here you're seeing that has this what they call it. It has this dots here. It's trying to tell you that you have what you have chair stick here. So right now you can see that I have 4 chair stick. So these 4 chair sticks that I have now, I can use these chair sticks to gamble and then win more than this 1,000 that I've used. I can also use this chair stick to gamble and then I lose everything. Okay, that is why me, if you want to make sure you are on the winning side, what I do is that I make sure I gather enough in my gift pack bag. Once I gather enough, then I use it to gamble one so that I can also get reward. Okay, I don't know if you guys what I'm trying to say. So then you can now use the chest stick. Okay, let me use the chest stick to this lady that has been supporting me. I need to mute her mic. I need to block all the mics, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, this one's people are not sitting down so that I don't get to have a lot of noise. Okay, she's back to box stream. So let me use this chair stick for this lady that has been gambling since. So this is it. I'll click on her name, just you can see. Then I once I click, if you click on the four of them, obviously you're sending to everybody. You can see that they can say all, but if you don't want, you click on the person that you just want to send to. Then I double tap, and I don't want to give myself because I know I can't give myself. So I double tap because I want to give her. You can see I double tap again. You can see that I won. Where did I win? Which one did I win? I think I win what? I won 150 coins, and then I still have my remaining chair stick. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so these are simply the same way you can actually do what? Multiply your money. So make sure before you gamble, before you use your chair stick, make sure you have enough. When I mean enough coins there, before you're going to be using your gift bag. So this is one beautiful thing about the Lucky Wheels game. Okay. Anyways, if you don't know, this gambling as well is another thing that can actually help you to like make money on Poppo. That's why you keep seeing this lady doing all those gambling all this while. I'm going to be talking about that in another video. Let me finish with this game on first so that you guys don't get yourself confused. You can see what she won. Miss Sonia, she won this and the rest of that. So yeah, I hope this was able to help anyone looking for how he or she can play games on Poppo. If it does, please don't forget to give us a follow, subscribe, like this video, drop us a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. And yeah, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.